Go home happy with the 2016 Ford Super Duty. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 120,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a tough, fully capable Ford Super Duty that's ready to help you get even the biggest jobs done safely and with ease. This full-size, heavy-duty pickup leverages military-grade aluminum alloy, high-strength steel, and rugged components to bring you extraordinary performance. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. See how comfortable, capable can feel when you get into this can-do Super Duty. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.